Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Structural Tech. This is Engineer Afsha Khan Khalil and today we will be learning how to automatically add serial numbers using two easy quick methods. So as we know we usually add serial numbers manually, which is very time consuming if you are a beginner and you don't know. But there are two easy quick methods available through which you can add serial numbers automatically. So the first method is using serial. So go to the home tab, go to the editing group, find series, click series. As we want to add columns, enter your step number to be and what stopping value you want to add. For example, I want to add 50 serial numbers like this. Just click OK and 50 serial numbers will be added in just seconds. The other method is using sequence method. So just type is equal sequence number. How many like it is asking you for the range of the values. For example, I want 60 columns to be added. What should be my starting value? It should be first. My step size I want it to be 1. Just close the parenthesis, click enter and look. 60 columns are added. So these are the two methods through which you can add serial numbers in just milliseconds. If you want more such informative videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment below the video. Thank you.